You are all welcome. Now, the topic we have to treat for today is probability. And this probability is under the quantitative comparison section of the GRE. The difficulty level of this question is hard. What that means is that it is not an easy question. Now, there are so many ways you can solve this problem, but I'm going to go through the inequality route, even though it's a probability question. So let's take a look at it together. The probability that event A occurs and event B does not occur. So let us say for the purpose of this class that probability the probability that A occurs is A, probability that B occurs is B, probability that A does not occur is A complement, probability that B doesn't occur is B complement. So probability that A occurs and event B does not occur, and in probability means multiplication. So B doesn't occur is greater than 1 over 4. Let's call that the first inequality. Second line says the probability that event B occurs, so B occurs, and event A does not occur, so A doesn't occur, is greater than 1 over 4. Let's call that the second inequality. Then the last line, the probability that neither of the events A and B occurs is greater than 1 over 8. So what that means is that A does not occur and B does not occur is greater than 1 over 8. So we have two quantities to compare. Quantity A says the probability that both of the events A and B occur. So that means A and B occurs at the same time. So now, how do we go about calculating that given the inequalities we have generated? So now, what we are going to do is we make B the subject of formula in this first inequality and then make A complement the subject of formula in the second inequality and then substitute for A complement and B complement in the third inequality. So in the first case, we have from inequality 1, from inequality 1, we have B complement is greater than 1 over 4A. And then from 2, A complement is greater than 1 over 4B. So we now substitute those two values in the third inequality. Now, A here means A is greater than 1 over 4B. So A is not actually 4B, but it is greater than 4B. It's greater than 1 over 4B multiplied by B complement is greater than 1 over 4A. Now, the probability that these two occur is now greater than 1 over 8. So let us now go ahead and simplify it. So this one gives us 1 over 16AB. So you can see that AB has surfaced in the calculation. So now, if you find the reciprocal of an inequality, the inequality sign reverses. So this becomes 6AB less than 8. So AB less than 8 over 16. So AB, which you are looking for, is less than half. So now, let us now generate the actual probability of AB. So AB is 0 less than or equals to AB less than half. So that means AB is now a range of values, which is from 0 to less than 1 over 2. So let us now use any of the values we have within this range and compare to quantity B. Now, one value we can pick up from the range is so 2 over 5. So let's compare that to 1 over 4. So comparing two fractions, to make things very easy, you just do something like this. 4 times 2, 8. 5 times 1, 5. The one that has the greater number is greater of the two fractions. So A in this case is greater. Another example we can pick is 1 over 5. So let's compare that to 1 over 4 for B. So this is 4, this is 5. So you can see very quickly that in this case, B is greater. In the first case, A is greater. In the second case, B is greater. So because we don't have a definite value in comparison to quantity B, our answer is the relationship cannot be determined from the information given. So this is the answer. Now, if you like what you have seen, you can go ahead, like and subscribe to my channel. And then if you feel like dropping a comment, you can go ahead. Now, thanks for joining me today. And until next time, goodbye.